Hey lads, TechScanning here. The Oppo Reno series is so popular that we can literally call it the proud product of the Oppo. And so here is the good news for the fans, the Oppo is almost set to launch the Reno 9 series. Earlier we have seen the box picture and some spy shots surfacing online, but now it's confirmed it will be here on the 24th of November. Gladly before the launch event, we got almost everything that the Oppo Reno 9 lineup is bringing, from hands-on to specs. So let's dive into it. The Reno 9 series will include the three models as officially confirmed by their website, the Oppo Reno 9, 9 Pro and 9 Pro Plus. And as per the official renders, all three models will sport an identical front design featuring a 6.7 inches OLED Full HD Plus display with curved edges and 2.3mm thin bezels, an in-display fingerprint sensor and a punch-hole camera cutout in the top center. While if we look at the back of the phone, it looks like it is inspired by the Reno 8 series, which is not bad. However, there is a small change. The cameras on the Oppo Reno 9 and 9 Pro sit flush with the phone back and both have two camera sensors, whereas the Oppo 9 Pro Plus has three camera sensors located on a raised camera island. For the specs, all the models will hold different internals. The highest variant, Oppo Reno 9 Pro Plus, will be backed by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, which is a flagship chipset. And for a reference, this chipset is even better than the one we get with the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. The Reno 9 Pro Plus 3 lenses will include 50MP main sensor coupled with 8MP and 2MP. Moreover, it sports 80W fast charging to power the 4700 mAh of battery. If we talk about the Oppo Reno 9 Pro, it will carry the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 Max and will have a dual camera setup including 50MP and 8MP sensors. And for the vanilla model Oppo Reno 9, which will be the cheapest version of the series, it will be powered by the Snapdragon 778G, a popular chipset for mid-range phones and able to handle graphic demanding games like Shadowgun Legends. For the camera department, the Reno 9 will offer a pair of camera sensors which include a 64MP primary and 2MP secondary sensor. Both the Reno 9 and the 9 Pro sport 4500 mAh of battery and 67W fast charging. Now, the Pro models of the Reno 9 will come with up to 16GB RAM, while the basic model will be sold with up to 12GB RAM. So if you are looking for a well-reputed handset, the Oppo Reno 9 series is going to launch in less than a week in China, while the global launch date is yet to be announced. What do you think about the Oppo Reno 9 lineup? Share your thoughts below in the comment section, and that's it for today. Please do consider subscribing to the channel and hit the bell button. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.